Hey guys, quick update on my dishwasher. It kept on holding standing water, and I had to take this off of the bottom right there. And on the motor, that blade was clogged. There was hair around here. Just something to consider. I had to actually open this up. This is from the bottom. Dishwasher. I'll open this up, and you can see there's a hole. I had to flip it over on the bottom and open that up. And now I'm gonna have to take this whole contraption, clean it all out, and make sure that there's nothing in here, because this is the pump right here. This is what the pump looks like. And this thing, what it does is it spins. Let me put this back on there the right way. There it goes. This will spin, and if there's hair, it won't be able to spin that freely, causing it to not work as it should, because this thing is what pumps the water out. So just showing you. I didn't do a step-by-step because, well, I thought it was gonna be an easy fix, but it turned out to be quite a disaster. Anyways, putting this thing back together. So interesting project.